Hello everyone, Grandma here. Happy Vlogmas. Today I am making a caprese Christmas wreath. It is very festive and easy to make. It can be an attractive table centerpiece. Enjoy it as an appetizer or as a side dish. To make this Christmas wreath, I'm using my glass platter wreath. I'm going to use basil leaves. You use the basil leaves to make the wreath. And you just scatter them around. It's very, very easy. Use as many as you like to form the ring around the edges. Put the leaves all around the edges. And of course the basil always smells good. You could smell it. And now I took cherry tomatoes that I cut in half. You could use them whole too, but I like the half because this way they don't roll all around. They stay on the basil leaves nice. And you put these all around on the wreath. And it starting to look nice with the red and green, very festive. And this is only like 3 ingredients. And now the next is the mozzarella balls, which I took the balls and I cut them in half also, because I think it's just much more easier when it's being served to have them cut in half than have the whole ball of the mozzarella. And you could scatter them too wherever you want. You put them around. And here's my Christmas wreath. And see how festive it looks? So it'll be very attractive on a table. If you make this in advance, you have to stick it in the refrigerator and then take it out so it gets room temperature before you serve it. And I didn't put any dressing on it because I think it's better as people take it, they put how much or how little dressing they like on the wreath. How's it taste, Grandpa?
I'll let you know in a minute, Ma. It looks very festive, Ma. Red and white and green for Christmas. I have my portion on my plate. Now I'm going to take some olive oil and sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on it. Then I have my balsamic vinegar. Sprinkle a little bit of that on it. A little bit too much. Delicious, Ma. The tomato, the mozzarella, and the basil. It's nice and refreshing. Really good, Ma.
Thank you, Pa. I really think this is a nice appetizer to have. If you have a party or anything, or company over, it's nice to have it as an appetizer.
I agree, Ma.